morning, my children, and once again, welcome to your English class, the class of the teacher Jacob. For today, my children, we're going to continue with the review and the learning of the numbers. Now, yesterday, we worked a little bit light with a topic that is very easy called the colors. But remember, even though it's an easy topic, even though you already remember them, we need to practice them because sometimes we can get mixed with a color and another. So in order to avoid that, we have to continue working with them constantly. For today, we are going to make an exercise that is based on the numbers. We are going to work with numbers, family of numbers. Remember, I'm going to give you certain clues, and at the end you will have to tell me the number that I am referring to. After we finish with this activity, then we concentrate on our teddy book to see what is the activity of today. Recuerden, chicos, que para el día de hoy vamos a realizar una actividad nuevamente con los números. Recuerden que es importante seguir practicándolos, repasándolos, estudiándolos, para que de esa forma nos memoricemos y así no se nos olvide. El día de ayer estuvimos trabajando con un tema un poquito más ligero, un poquito más tranquilo, vimos los colores, pero recuerden, chicos, que aunque sean temas fáciles, pues a veces nos podemos confundir, a veces se nos pueden olvidar. Entonces es importante que también en su tiempo libre se den un tiempo, una oportunidad para seguirlo repasando y de esa forma reforzar estos conocimientos. Para el día de hoy vamos a hacer una actividad con la familia de los números. Remember, all numbers have their own family. Depending on the first number, the first number will tell us which family does it belong. Recuerden, chicos, que todos los números que hemos trabajado, cada uno de ellos tiene su diferente familia. Dependiendo el primer número, ahí vamos a ver a qué familia pertenece. Okay? Very good. So, today, let's practice the numbers with the exercise that is next to the teachercito Jacob. Now, for this activity, my children, we have several numbers. Remember, they are not in order. The teacher Jacob will give you the first clue, the first number, then you will have to tell me what number is it. Vamos a hacer una actividad donde yo les voy a decir el primer número para que veamos a qué familia pertenece y ustedes en casita con el primer número que les dije y el segundo que aparezca aquí, los juntamos y me van a decir qué número es. Ya que me lo hayan dicho con todas sus fuerzas, lo buscamos y lo encerramos en un círculo. ¿Ok? Very good. The first number that I want you to pay attention and concentrate belongs to the family of the 50s. Because belongs to the family of the 50s, this means begins with the number 5. Okay, you already located? Okay, it's right here. Very good. So, this is the number that belongs to the family of 50s. We have 5 and 2. Together, los juntamos, it creates, va a aparecer number 52. Of the family of the 50s, 5 and 2, 52. Very good. Now, we already found them. Let's circle it with marker color black. Now, the next number I want you to concentrate and to pay attention is the number 100. The number 100, remember, it's the last number that we are going to work here in pre-primary. The last number, it's conformed by 3 digits, 1 and 2 zeros. 100. Where is it? ¿Dónde estará? Okay, you are saying it's right here. Is it number 100? Very good, it is. So, you know what to do. Let's mark it with color black. Next number, this number pertenece, belongs to the family of the 60s. It belongs to the family of 60s because begins with the number 6. Okay, you are pointing in this direction. Right here, okay, we have number 6 and number 0. When we put them together, it creates number 60. Very good. It's not 61, 62. Just plain 60. Recuerden que el 0 no cuenta, por lo tanto es el primer número que vamos a comenzar con esta familia. So, that's it. Only 60. Very good. We found it. We circled it. This next number belongs to the family of the 30s. Third of 3 belongs to the family of 30s. This means it begins with the number 3. Where is it? Right here? Okay, very good. We have it in color green. So, we have number 3 and number 3. Together, they conform the number 33. 33 of the family of the 30s. Very good. Excellent. Next number belongs to the family of the 70s. 70s, it means begins with the number 7. Where is it? Right here? Very good, correct. So, we have the number 7 and the number 9. Together, they make number. ¿Qué número va a resultar si juntamos 7 y 9? ¿Qué número va a ser? 79. 79. Very good. And finally, the last lonely number, el número que quedó solito, 4 and 7. We put them together, los juntamos, and it creates, y se va a crear el número 47. That's it. That's the last number. Excellent. Congratulations, my children. The teacher Jacob is very happy because you are studying the numbers. Remember, keep practice them so you don't forget them. Sigan aprendiéndolos, chicos, sigan repasándolos en su tiempo libre, antes de dormir, antes de jugar o después de jugar, para que de esa forma no se nos olvide. Remember that we are going to continue working in the future videos with exercises similar like this. Recuerden, chicos, que seguiremos trabajando con ejercicios similares como estos en futuros videos para que los sigamos repasando y practicando. Now, today, my children, today's activity, once again, it's part of your teddy books. So, if you want to work with the teacher Jacob, you know what to do. Grab and go and grab your teddy book with the activity of today. In a few seconds I will show you what page is it and your pencil case. Si ustedes quieren trabajar junto con el teachercito Jacob, vayan por su libro de actividades, su teddy book y su estuchera y les voy a mostrar qué página va a ser la de hoy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready with your teddy book? Excellent. So, the activity of today, my children, it's located on page 28. Located right here. Page 28. So, as you can see here, we have addition exercises. Now, you may wonder, Teacher Jacob, what does it mean addition? ¿Qué quiere decir la palabra addition, Teachercito Jacob? Well, the word addition in Spanish, sumas. Okay? Remember, additions, we already practiced them in Kinder 2. Remember, the exercise of additions is that we have to put objects or numbers, more of them. Recuerden, chicos, que estos ejercicios ya los estuvimos practicando en Kinder 2. Recuerden que ejercicios de sumas es cuando nosotros añadimos más objetos o más números dependiendo lo que estamos contando, dependiendo lo que queremos aumentar. Okay? Very good. So, once again, if you want to work with the teacher Jacob, there is no problem. Let's work with the pencil. Vamos a trabajar con nuestro lápiz ya listo. This is the example. Vamos a hacer el ejemplo de nuestro primer ejercicio. So, as you can see here, we have 2 digits. Tenemos 2 dígitos. 8 and 2. Between the 2 digits, we have a symbol that looks like a cross. This symbol is called plus. Como pueden ver, tenemos 2 números. Tenemos el número 8 y el número 2. En medio de estos 2 números tenemos un símbolo que parece una cruz. Ese símbolo se le conoce como el símbolo más. Cada vez que tengamos el signo de más en medio de 2 números o al lado de los números, quiere decir una suma. Next to the last number, we also have another symbol, 2 lines, one up and one down. This symbol means equal or the result. Después del último número, tenemos otro símbolo que tiene 2 líneas, una arriba, otra abajo. Este símbolo se llama el símbolo igual o el resultado. El resultado de estos 2 números cuando los sumamos. Next to the symbol, we have a rectangle, okay? A rectangle in which here we'll write the result. En este rectángulo, en cada uno de los rectángulos que tenemos en blanco, aquí vamos a escribir el resultado de las sumas que nosotros estemos realizando. Next to, once again, we have 2 larger lines. Tenemos 2 líneas un poquito más largas. En estas líneas vamos a poner puntitos o bolitas que van a ser los números. For example, here we have number 8. El primer número que tenemos para nuestra suma es el number 8. Quiere decir que en la primera línea vamos a poner 8 puntitos o bolitas. Yo voy a poner puntitos porque son un poquito más rápidos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, next to, al lado del number 8, we have the number 2. So, in the second line, en la segunda línea, how many dots, cuántos puntitos, black dots, do we have to write? Tenemos que escribir just 2, solamente 2. 1 and 2. Once we have finished writing all the dots, ya que escribimos los puntitos del number 8 y del number 2, vamos a contarlos todos para ver cuál es el resultado. For this, it's very important that you help the teacher count. Para esto es importante que en casita me ayuden a contar bien fuerte. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, what's the result? ¿Qué resultado tenemos? Number 10. Very good. Which is the number 1 and number 0. Excellent. Now, let's continue with the second addition. Vamos con nuestra siguiente suma. We have numbers 9 plus 3. Remember, plus más. 9 plus 3 equals and the result. Next to the result, let's write the black dots. Vamos a poner puntitos negros para cada uno de los números. The first line, en la primera línea, vamos a ver cuántos puntitos ponemos. What number is it? ¿Qué número es? Number 9. That's the quantity of numbers we are going to write here. Ese es el número de puntitos que vamos a poner arriba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Under, abajo, let's see how many black dots do we write. Vamos a ver cuántos puntitos escribimos. What number is this once again? Number 3. So, we write 3 black dots. 1, 2, 3. Now, let's count them all to see what's the result. Ahora vamos a contar todos para ver cuál es el resultado. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, the number 12, it's the result. Number 1, number 2. Okay, so as you can see, this is an easy method that we can do to solve additions. Another method is using our fingers. Este es un método que podemos nosotros utilizar para resolver sumas. Otro método puede ser utilizando un abaco o utilizando nuestros deditos siempre y cuando los números sean pequeñitos para que nos alcancen nuestros deditos. Next to 6 plus 8 equals, es igual a the result. First of all, how many black dots? ¿Cuántos puntitos ponemos? 6. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next to number 8. So, let's write 8 black dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, you know what to do. Let's count them all to see the result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what's the result? ¿Qué resultado es? 14. And how do I write number 14? ¿Cómo escribíamos number 14 of the family of the teens? Number 1, number 4. Excellent. You remember. That's good, my children. Next addition. 6 plus 4 equals and the result. 6 dots, it's the number that we have to write here. 6 black dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Under, abajo, let's see. How many black dots do we write under? Escribimos abajo cuántos puntitos? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's count them all to see the result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the result. Remember number 10, 1 and 0. Next, we have 4 plus 4 equals and the result. On the first line, we write 4 black dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the second line, abajo en la siguiente línea, once again, 4 black dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count them all to see the result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's the result? Number 8. The number that looks like a laugh. Now, we have two types of additions. The ones that are horizontal and the ones that are vertical. But both of them are the same. There is no change, only the structure of the numbers. Tenemos dos formas de sumas. Las que son horizontales, las que están acostadas, o las que son verticales, donde los números están uno arriba del otro. Ambas sumas son las mismas, no hay ningún problema. Lo que cambia es la forma en cómo están colocadas, acostadas o una arriba de la otra. But there is no problem. Now, the last additions are in vertical form. It's the same. We have two digits. 3 plus 2 equals and the result. So, the first number, 3. So, that's the quantity of black dots. Tenemos el número 3. Ese es el número que vamos a poner de puntitos negros en la primera línea. 1, 2, 3. Under, abajo, we have number 2. How many black dots do we write here? 2. 1, 2. Let's count them all to see the result. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 is the result. Number 5, the result. Next to the last addition of the exercise. 4 plus 6 equals and the result. So, here in the first line, how many black dots do we write? ¿Cuántos puntitos negros escribimos? 4. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Under, abajo, we have number 6. So, how many black dots? ¿Cuántos puntitos negros? 6. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count them all, the black dots, to see the result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's the result? Number 10. Very good. Which means 1 and 0. Okay, so additions are not difficult. The only thing that we have to do, once again, is to remember and memorize the numbers. That's the most important part of this type of exercises. Recuerden, chicos, que pues hoy no fue difícil, estuvo fácil el ejercicio siempre y cuando podamos reconocer y recordar los números. Esa es una de las partes más importantes para resolver las sumas. Because if we don't know the numbers, nosotros si no sabemos los números, pues nos va a costar más trabajo. Por eso es importante que sigan practicando en casita todos los días los números from number 1 to number 100. So, that's it for today, my children. The teacher Jacob is very happy to see you once again. Remember, today it's Friday. So, today we start the weekend with all the positive attitude. Recuerden que hoy es fin de semana, así es que empezamos con toda la actitud para disfrutarlo mucho. Descansen, chicos, se lo merecen, han hecho un gran trabajo. Recuerden que el teachercito Jacob, I love you very much. I send you a lot of kisses. Take care. We see you on Monday. Goodbye.